Did you know that fast internet without a good solid Wi-Fi network is like having a Ferrari without a steering wheel? Without good Wi-Fi, you can't drive that speed around to all your connected devices. So if you want business Wi-Fi that always breaks the speed limit, stick around. Today, we're going to put you in the driver's seat. You may not realize it, but if your Wi-Fi isn't properly installed and optimized for maximum performance, you may not be getting the fastest possible internet speeds from your wireless network. Hi, I'm Tom with EPB, and today we're talking about some of the factors that can impact your Wi-Fi performance and what you can do to improve it. So let's get started. I'm here with Katie Cunningham. She is a leading Wi-Fi expert on the EPB Business Tech Pros team. Welcome, Katie.
Hey, Tom.
Hey, let's start with the obvious. Okay, why am I going to need strong, stable Wi-Fi for my business?
Sure. So you're investing in your internet. That's a lot of money. So you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi can match that internet.
Okay.
So it's important to have a good, strong connection that can support all of your devices.
So what should I be looking for when I'm choosing a Wi-Fi solution?
You want a Wi-Fi solution that can reach all corners of your business. You're going to have a lot of devices running, smartphones, tablets, computers. You want to make sure all of those devices can run at the same time and reach all corners of your business.
Let's talk about equipment. What should I do if I want to upgrade my experience?
We really would recommend professional grade equipment.
How about the strongest Wi-Fi signal? Everybody wants that. You know, they don't want one bar, they want all the bars. So how do I get that strong signal?
So you're not going to get the same speed you would get in a hardwired connection in an Ethernet port, but if you have professional grade equipment with Wi-Fi 6 technology, you're going to get the fastest speeds possible for your business.
I know you keep talking about Wi-Fi 6. What are the advantages? Because it sounds like it's important.
Wi-Fi 6 is the latest technology. It's going to give you more bandwidth quicker. So imagine taking a 2-lane road and turning it into a 6-lane freeway.
I think everybody would like that. Now, but what if I'm not tech savvy? Can you help me?
Yeah, no problem. We have a whole team of EPB Business Pros who can help you out in your business. We offer a managed Wi-Fi solution that would be great for any business.
Now, what are they going to include?
Those are going to include professional grade equipment with 4 ports, so you can plug in all of your devices hardwired, like your POS system, your computers, printers.
Okay.
And then we do back it with 24/7 technical support, 365 days a year.
I always hear the term LAN network, but what does that actually mean?
That's your local area network. So that's going to provide you with a safe, secure network. That way all of your customers' information is protected, all of your financial transactions are protected. You don't have to worry about it. It'll be safe.
Safe and secure is always important. Now, how can EPB help me with a solution for all of that right there? I mean, that's really going to set me up.
EPB has 2 managed Wi-Fi solutions. We've got the hosted Wi-Fi plan, which is enterprise level networks for your larger businesses. We've also got the smart network for business for your smaller footprints too.
I think everybody wants to know, it all sounds great, but what kind of investment am I looking at here?
So we offer the smart network for business for $17. You can add it to your current internet plan for only $17 a month.
No way.
$17 a month.
$17 a month?
It's completely customizable, so you don't have to have more than what you need. We can grow with your business.
Wow, $17, really?
17.
I like Katie. Thank you, Katie. I appreciate all the information. Hey, better Wi-Fi means better productivity, and our EPB Business Tech Pros will be happy to take a look at your internet and Wi-Fi to make sure you're getting the fastest speed and best performance. And they'll even conduct a free, no-obligation technology assessment and design the perfect communication solutions for your business and budget. Just give us a call to get started. Oh, and be sure to watch our other videos in this series to learn more about all kinds of communication solutions to help you do business even better. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.